we are. This is a special edition of Sports Center. There's a race of Dan Valley and the weird guy in pajamas at like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Isn't that strange? Yes. They're going to be racing on skateboards all the way to that last light post. You probably can't see it right now, but they're going to be off in about 3 seconds. On your marks. Get set. Go! And they're off. The weird guy in the pajamas is on the lead. Oh, now Dan takes it. He almost crosses into the curb. Here they go. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, he crosses into the curb. This looks like a win for Dan. He just needs to go to this. The skateboard's still going. Alright, the skateboard's still going, and the weird guy in pajamas is chasing it. And Dan Valley, it looks like he's going to win. You know, the one who teaches you how to do tricks? Yeah, it's that guy. And he wins! Woo! Alright, we need the winner to have his winning speech. Do you think he would have won if he didn't fall into the curb? Why do you say that?
Because I have bigger wheels. Bigger.
And is that an effect of the race?
No, he just sucks.
Oh, alright. Thank you for watching this special edition of Sports Center. Goodbye.